Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue. I have another VR for you. This is in reference to an IC challenge through Crafty Nita. She wants you to do an IC and do a VR. And very simple. You know, IC cards are not that hard. It's just, and she wants you to do it in your style and put some things on the back. I'll put her link down in the description so that you can go check her video out. It's due though March the 1st, so if you want to get involved in it, then you may want to do a quick one. So this is mine right here. These were just some little things, you know, you get in the pack, these like little dollar things you can get at Joann's or Michael's or something. It's got these things in them. So, and this was pretty much me. I just like to be, I like to be outside, but because of how I feel now with my neuropathy, it's hard for me to be out there. I don't really like being out in the summertime when it's really, really hot. I like springtime and fall, but this represents spring to me, especially with these little tulips. So I thought I would put that on there, and it says each moment is a gift, which really is. You never promised the next minute, even the next day or whatever, but on the back I put this little envelope here and put some little thing, and this says my information on it there. And that's really all she wants. Put some butterfly, Scrappy K Sue, but that's it. Y'all go check her out. Enter her little challenge there, but make it a quick one. So we'll talk to you guys later. All right, thanks. Bye.